Hello and welcome back. I'm Night Scrapper UK. Now I went to the Anvil Scrap Trade Centre, it's called now, and I went for a weigh-in. So this is what I've got. First of all, Castelli batteries, which have gone up to £600 a tonne. Singles grade 2. Now I did have grade 1 in there, but Robert didn't see it. It was my fault anyway for mixing the bag up. Number 2, copper 3 kilos. That was from Order Like Ballast. Household clean. I had 32 kilos, 62 quid. Dry bite wire. It went up for the previous time I went. It was £6 and 4p. So I got £229 for that. And it gave me a grand total of £353. Not bad, not too shabby. Now I'm getting ready to do my next video, and it's going to be obviously getting the best value out of circuit boards, knowing what to look for in circuit boards. I mean, I don't know if these are actually gold. These things right here. Oh, there's my pen. Screwdriver, should I say. These things were right there. I do not know if they are gold or what. And they've got characteristics of gold, but also these just gold plated, painted on. I mean, the only way you can find out is I do a bit of research on that. So I'm gonna just be like breaking down like transformers, you know. You'll enjoy the video, and it's like certain things on like different types of like TV board. Another TV board that was out of some electrical component thing I had, you know. And obviously I've got like brass in there, some tin coated copper there with some silver contacts. Some more there, more there. Yeah, it's better view there. So right there. So I'll be taking, like, obviously I'm saving all this up. Some copper there. It's like a little, some silver contacts in there somewhere. Little copper coils, copper relays, micro switches, other stuff there. I've got loads of brass connectors in there, loads of relays in that tub. Some more, like, I don't know if these are brass pins or gold pins, I'm not sure. It's really hard to identify. Some more boards and stuff in there, some relay boards. It's like relays on there. They're a lot smaller, these ones, but you'll get to see in the video, and you'll get to see some of the Scrap Trade Centre. Hope you enjoyed the video. Give the video a like, and I'll catch you in the next one. Wow. Dude. Well, this is the last weigh-in of the year for me. Bag of singles, Castelli, household, right where. Look at that. Some number 2, some batteries. It's very busy in here today. Very busy. Very busy. Smile! Ellie!